Hi guys, so today my bedroom is out of control. We live in a tiny house and we just moved here a couple of months ago. It's already been a couple of months and I had this place cleaned up and without any clutter in it for probably a whole day and a half or so. But I am in the middle of a weight loss journey. I have lost 100 pounds. So I have some extra clothes that just don't fit me anymore, don't look right on me anymore. I actually have clothes that are falling off of me, so I need to go down in size, like right now. So it is time to go through all of my stored clothes from my different sizes, get rid of the big ones, and get the smaller ones out, and get the even smaller ones out to wear in 20 pounds or so, so I have a lot of stuff to do. I fold my clothes in my bedroom. Right now my bed is not made and I have clothes all over the bed. These are clothes that we're actually pretty much keeping and I need to put away. I have a stack of clothes here on the floor. Some of them are for sale. We have some men's clothes for sale and these clothes need to be put away. They're my clothes that I need to put away. I have a few baby things, like a pillow for the baby that I need to sell. It's like a breastfeeding pillow. I'm not going to use that anymore. A whole box of stuff that I need to sell. It doesn't need to be in my closet. My husband, his closet is over here. Is that right? And he can't even get into it. This is my closet down here, down there. And I can't get into it. So I need to go through all of my clothes. These are all of my bins of clothes. I have 6 bins of clothes. And this bin up here is stuff to sell. So I want to change these bins out to be stuff to sell so I can actually put it in the storage building for when we have a yard sale. Or maybe take it out one at a time, put like items with like items, like all of my clothes together that are one size, and put them out in the building to sell later on Facebook when I get to it. I have so much stuff right now that it's really hard to deal with it, but we need to sell it because we need the money, because we're moving to America and you have to save up for that. It's a big, huge expense. So right here, I actually have a dresser that you cannot even see. It's screwed to the wall really well, which is good because it has all of these, and it's extremely heavy, but this has 4 drawers in it, and you can barely see one. So I have a lot of work to do. This is my bed right now, and I have to fold all of that laundry, so it's going to be quite a job. So come and see the before and after of my closet. I'll show you a lot of it. Right now I'm just going to fold clothes and you don't need to watch that. So I'll fold the clothes. I'll get the clothes down here that I'm going to fold. And then all of this stuff I'm going through. These are all of my big clothes that are smaller that I can wear now and some smaller for later. And in my closet, pretty much all of those clothes are going. Some are for sale because they're nice. I don't have too many nice things, but some of them are nice and I would like to sell some of those. The other stuff is going to go out on the street. Somebody can pick through it and take what they want. I also have some clothes that are Raphael's that are going to go to my in-laws' children. Thankfully, he is a little bit younger than Raphael, so he can have all of those clothes and be blessed with that. That's a lot of work. Let's get to it.
These are bigger.
Okay, yes, I have a whole bunch of clothes over here that are mine and Abigail's that are just going to go out on the street. Yeah, you may recognize a few of these. Hey! I am not getting rid of any of this yet. I'm selling all of this. Hadar took pictures for me to sell. These are Abigail's clothes that she fits into right now, so I have to sort this again because this is for sale. This is Abigail's clothes. So
some of my stuff here is from 2010.
Zip it up. Zip it up. All right, Hadar is going through his clothes, his pants. These are from 2010. And see how big they are. Yeah, they're humongous.
Wait, can I put my hand in here or are you going to get offended?
Don't get offended. Yeah, they're humongous. They're like 4 or 5 sizes too big for them. They look like huge. But should he keep them? Are you getting that big again? It's not even that big.
The only reason I got big in the last 7 years, since I first got small, is because I went through a knee surgery, and that's when I started gaining a lot of weight.
Yeah, because he was inactive because he couldn't run or walk.
Being inactive for my body means that I'm definitely
Yeah, it's
gonna
very hard
gain
for
all the weight
him.
back.
Yeah.
There's no doubt about it.
So
All
do
of
you
these are
keep
big.
them or are we getting rid of
That's
them?
why I put them away, because I started getting smaller.
Yeah.
When we moved here.
So do you keep them or do you get rid of them? Those are really big.
Fit in this.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And you were small. It's not that big anyway.
Yeah, these jeans just size down, and now they're too big too.
Yeah.
I mean, they're just.
Yeah,
They
they're
fit
really
me
big.
tight when I came back from the States.
Yeah.
It was just 6 months ago.
Yeah. Was it? Oh, it was like a year ago.
6 months.
Wow. Okay.
Almost March. 6 months. Almost.
Okay,
This
so
shirt-
here is his closet right here. He had to get new jeans. So those are his new jeans. He's got to go through all these clothes. I've went through all of my clothes so far, but now I'm fixing to do this. And all of this stuff, these are my YouTube letters from people and my cards and things. So I'm saving this. This is going to the States. These are the clothes that my babies wore, all of my babies. So that's going to the States.
Can you tell me why she won't watch
A movie? Yeah.
Horses? Oh.
Right, Abigail? Watch a movie about horses. Bye. Okay. So, still got a lot of organizing to do. I have a lot of things on the floor here to pick up and put away. This wire going across here for the closet, she doesn't want to do anything without her daddy today. This needs to be tightened. This is pretty much getting cleaned out. These are my pants that I can wear right now. These are things to sell. All of this stuff is to sell. These are my dresses that I wear as nightgowns. This is where my exercise clothes are gonna go. Okay, everybody's doing stuff around the house now. Abigail's sleeping. So this is stuff that I have ready for sale. Some men's shirts, a dollhouse that I bought Raphael a while back ago. This is a cover for a cart, shopping cart, my boppy pillow, and another place down there for the baby. Anyway, so right now I have these two empty. And that one's going to go back up in storage until people buy it. I just listed it. Weight loss. I'm going to hang up these clothes because all of these fit me. And they were up there in storage. So I'm going to put up all of these right now, hang them up. Yeah, I put pictures up. I got Hadar's clothes right there. I have some diapers right there. Some cloth diapers that I need to list. I've got some upholstery fabric ×2 that I need to list. This is outdoor upholstery fabric, brand new. And some bathing suits that I want to list, big women's bathing suits. Stay tuned for the next series of videos. We are getting rid of everything and there's going to be a final purge and declutter. This room was nice and clear and clean for about 6 hours, and then I went through and got rid of a bunch more stuff that ended up all over the floor again. The final purge is going to remove every single thing from our home that we are not using, so stay tuned for those videos. After they are all shown, you can expect weekly cleaning videos from this channel. If you're interested in seeing my husband's and my weight loss, I have a weight loss channel called I Need More Lives. And if you're interested in daily vlogs, we show our everyday life here in Israel on Fully Living. My son also has his own channel, and I think your kids would really like it. It's called Fully Fun. Thank you so much for watching. Check out our other videos and our other channels where we daily vlog every single day on Fully Living. Leave us a comment to let us know you were here. Have a great day.